Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 call recording applications for iPhone, both free and paid, whether you need to record phone calls for work, interviews, or personal use. I've got you covered. So let's jump right in. Starting off with Google Voice. So you can just search Google Voice application, and this is a completely free and straightforward option for recording calls on your iPhone. With Google Voice, you can make and receive calls using a Google provided number, and best of all, you can record incoming calls with just a single tap. While it's a great free tool, keep in mind that it only allows recording for incoming calls, not outgoing ones. Next up is Ref Call Recorder. So we're just going to type Ref Call Recorder app and hit go. So this is basically another free and user-friendly option. This app is designed specifically for recording calls and is incredibly simple to use, and it will you can just open the app, hit the record button, and it will initiate a merged call to start recording. One of its standout features is the optional transcription service, which lets you convert recording conversation into text for an additional fee, perfect for those who need written records of their calls. Then we have Tape a Call, which contains also free trial and paid versions. So if you're looking for a premium option, Tape a Call is one of the best choices out there. It offers both a free trial and a paid version. The free version allows you to record calls, but with some limitations. To record, simply start a call, tap the record button, and the app will begin capturing the conversation. All recordings are stored within the application, and you can share or export them. For unlimited recording and advanced features, you'll need to upgrade the paid version, which costs around $10 per year. Next up is Call Recorder Int Call. So for another premium option, Call Recorder Int Call is a solid choice. It works on a pay-per-use basis or a one-time purchase model, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. This app allows you to record both incoming and outgoing calls and saves them directly within the app. To use it, you need to purchase recording credits, and once you have them, you can record as many calls as you want. If you prefer a pay-as-you-go system, this app is ideal. And then we have Otter.ai. So lastly, we have Otter.ai, which is more than just a call recorder. It's a powerful transcription tool that records and automatically, transcribes conversations in real time. And the free version provides 600 minutes of transcription per month, while the paid plan starting at $8.33 per month offers unlimited transcription, additional features, and priority support. If you need both audio recording and detailed written notes, this is a fantastic option. So there you have it, the top 5 call recording apps for iPhone. Whether you're looking for a completely free option like Google Voice or Ref Call Recorder, or prefer a feature-packed paid app like Tape a Call or Otter.ai, this is an option for you. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.